this part of my living room, I feel like it needs a bit of attention and a glow up. It looks very bad. There is a door here where you open and where I put like my hoovers and cleaners and stuff. I feel like it needs some bit of revamp. I want to paint this side black to match this end, and also paint all around here black. So then when I finish painting, I want to put like some pictures in here. I also want to see if I can put in some bit of like a wood paneling to, you know, cut it in and give it some bit of style. So that is the plan for this side. This can be done in less than a day or just in a few hours. So behind here is the sofa and everything else. It looks messy at the moment. But the plan also is, if you look behind the TV, there is some bit of wood I stick on the wall and painted it black. I feel like the black give a bit of luxury style to tell you. So that is why I'm planning to paint behind here. All the white strips all turn to black. Everything there behind the TV should be black, and everything will stand out. Or if it doesn't look okay, I can always change it. I like to change things around. So time to get this all set and done and ready. So got my paint from Dulux. This is one of the paints I've been using for a while. I think I had one in my living room which is kind of cream. The name was Egyptian Cotton. Dulux paint has been really good, which I've been using of late, so that is what I'm sticking with for now. So I'm just mixing this black one with water. So all that, I'm going to prepare the place I'm going to paint. As you can see, that white wall there going to the left side of the TV, I'm going to paint all of that side. I have this project on my list for a while, and so I have to really do it now because I know this is going to help with my Christmas decorations. The way I've planned it and I've pictured it, if I don't paint it, it's not going to look good. So well, let's get it all done. I got this painting brush from Temu. It's about £4-5. It was more than that. I think the price original was £11, but I got it off and it's a really good deal. And this is the first time I've used this brush, and I think it's really, really good. The whole painting took me about 10 minutes to finish. Like, this is the quickest painting I've ever done since I've been painting, so I like the brush. The only thing is, when you finish, you have to empty everything out of it and wash it out, which is okay. You have to clean your equipment. So that is it all done. Sorry I couldn't raise my camera to film the top there anyway. So just almost done, and I'm just using my free hand with a brush to just go into the parts that are very tiny to not be able to go through with the other big brush. So there we go, just slowly and, you know, easily going in with it and make sure all the white spaces are covered and the whole, you see how the place is coming together. Let me finish everything and you actually see how it looks. I think I love this. When I was doing this project, you know, the weather now is winter, the whole place is all dark. Even I put lights on and all that, but it's still not really bright. I hate the cold and dark rooms anyway. So as it's all coming together, I decided to put on pictures. This is the pictures I wanted to put in that wall, and so I'm just trying to see which parts of the wall, you know, it will go properly, because I want to hang 2 of them. I had 4 of these from Facebook Marketplace, but then I decided to put 2 there instead of 3 because it looked too much. I just wanted to give a bit of, you know, character to that corner, because most of these houses we live in, brand new houses, they don't have any style, so you have to, you know, use your imagination to style it or, you know, decorate it. So as that is done, I'm just putting the nail and things I'm going to use to hook the picture on, and that is all done now. I also have this gorgeous light I got from eBay. It's a pair of it, and it's so heavy, as you can see, like that. I wanted to just stick it on with a it sticker, kind of a glue tin, but no, I decided to use a proper what's the name, screw it in to screw it, because that will hold it well. As you can see, I'll be taking it on and off to charge, so which is really handy. And for the price, I got it for about, is it £9 for the 2, which is really good. Often you get one of it for about £11 on eBay, but this was a really good deal coming to Christmas. So, you know, I just grabbed it. Anyway, almost done with that. I'm going to show you how it looks when it's all finished. The lights that I put on the wall, it kind of it have 3 different settings, and you can set it up to like 100% light or 50% or 25. So, you know, depending on the kind of brightness you want. That is just to, you know, brighten up the pictures and give that corner a character. So I'm not going to be putting it on often like so bright. I'll just put it into like medium, like maybe 50% light or 25 is okay for me. And they said it lasts very long. The longest I have used that light is about 6 hours, which is still really good. So I'll recommend that light. Anyway, almost done with that, and that little thing I'm screwing on the wall is so hard. Yeah, so it's going to hold that light for me properly. Anyway, I'm just finishing and readjust my pictures really well. I have 2 of those pictures left. One I'm thinking to put into my entryway side, and one I'm thinking to put in the kitchen. I'm not very sure. Anyway, as we go along, let's see. I love to DIY, but with this weather, sometimes it discourages you, you know, like doing things. It's so cold and damp, like it doesn't really make you like feel interested in doing things anyway. So that is the light, almost ready, putting it on, and I'll show you how it looks like when I put my hand on to on it. So what happens is it has a remote to on the light, but you can use first of all you have to use your hand to touch the back to on it first, then you can use the control to control it on and off and different temperatures. So this is, I think, white or warm white or so. I'm just trying to adjust to see if the way the light is okay, not to be too like higher up bright into the TV, just a little bit lower. So that's what I've just done now. So this color is white. The next one I think is a bit warm. Yeah, that is a bit warm, and then another darker warm color. So 3 different colors anyway. This is the white one. Yeah, so that's how it looks, really cute in that little corner. So as you can see, there is a cupboard there, which is where I put my things, as I mentioned earlier on, and that corner is where I'm going to put my Christmas tree. So this is why I decided to do all of this decor ahead, just prepare the whole place down before the whole decorations. And already as I'm making this video now, the Christmas tree is up. It's been up over about almost 2 weeks before Christmas. I think 2 to 3 weeks before Christmas I put that. So this video took me a while to edit, that's why it came like quite late. So anyway, thank you, and I'll see you in the next coming video. Stay tuned. Also, let's say when the Christmas decorations go off, this is the tree that is coming back there. That's why it's going to stay always. And sorry this bit was a bit dark, and stay tuned for the next one.